We're talking about the rain that's coming our way. It will be steady at times, and we will have some storms mainly south of I-80 as we go into Sunday in the late morning and early afternoon. The wind advisory kicks in at 6 o'clock tomorrow night, and the impacts, if you have some inflatable holiday decorations, I would take those down maybe early tomorrow morning, and there could be some isolated power outages. Just again, some of those typical things that we deal with when we have wind advisory. So the winds will be gusting anywhere between 40 to 50 miles per hour. It's extremely windy, especially when we're dealing with also gusty thunderstorms potentially, especially as you get out towards Kankakee County and in towards areas in northwest Indiana, not so much close to Lake Michigan, but further south. And we do have, again, a few storms that could pack a punch here and bring some really gusty winds along with it. Futurecast showing us that temperatures tonight are going to actually rise, so they'll get close to 50 degrees as we go into the overnight, and that's where we start tomorrow morning. So when you join us here, we'll be tracking the rain that rolls on through, and it will be very mild. It could be near 60 degrees as you go out towards Rensselaer, Kankakee, and Joliet as we go into the morning hours. And look at that rain. It is going to be pretty steady at times, and we could have some rumbles of thunder along with this as well. And then watch as this starts to kind of fizzle out as we go toward the evening, and that cold front is going to make its way in by about 7, 8 o'clock. Watch the temperatures drop significantly here into the 20s and 30s and get even colder as we go into early Monday morning. So the rainfall totals from this look like they're going to be closer to about an inch for most of the area. But I wouldn't be surprised to see some higher numbers from this as well. The winds are another big story. Gusts up to about 30 miles per hour by about 3, 4 o'clock on Sunday. But then look at the winds gusting out of the west, and they're up to about 40 to 45 miles per hour as we get you to about 10:30 when you join us tomorrow night. It's going to be extremely windy. So we've got a lot to keep track of, and this could lead to some flight delays too, especially as we go into Monday morning. So all in all, it's one heck of a day coming our way. Look at the temperature drop too, a 40-degree temperature drop on Sunday alone, and then it's really chilly on Monday. Those wind chills for Monday morning could be at or just slightly below zero, so it's incredibly cold as we go into Monday. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, as we wrap up 2025, it will be cold. We could have some flurries late in the day, and then Wednesday, it's cold to start 2026, and we'll start to moderate a little bit as we go toward Friday and Saturday.